Today we are going to create an email layout, send it from your Gmail account and use environment variables. So let's start it. From an empty file, we are going to create this simple email sender. The first step is to create our layout. We can basically do it by hand because an email layout is a simple HTML layout, but we are going to be using a library because it's like much easier. The library I am going to use is this one. Like, it's a very simple but great library, and yeah, just going to copy paste the library endpoint. We are going to be using Go modules because we have packages from outside, so we need to init it. Go mod init, and we need to call it in some way emails, for example. Okay, now I need to get my library so we can use it in our project. Great. And straight to our faces, this library, it's not working. Actually, this was one of the reasons I want to cover this library in this video, because in my experience, I not often see the issues with this library not importing correctly in Golang, so I want to address it directly. So what we have here. In this error, we do see that maybe it's not actually this Hermes library problem, but it's this Mergo that cannot be merged in some way. So how we can address it? We're going to go to the Mergo repository in GitHub, and let's see something. And yes, you see, they replaced the the entry point. So what we need to do, we need to copy this, come back to our gomod file and simply paste this. So we are going to be replacing this Mergo point with Mergo entry point with this new one. Okay, and now if I'm going to get this library again, everything works fine. We're going to create a new file. I'm going to call it email UI.go. Okay, now we are going to be in main package because for the big project, I will be creating separate modules, but it's a simple project. We have a few 2 files, so everything will be in the main file. Now I'm going to create a function and call it generate email, like this. Now we will need to use Hermes to generate the actual email form. So how we can do it? Go back to the Hermes page, and yeah, just copy paste. Really, it's that simple. We have to first copy paste this, done, then. Okay. Obviously, obviously our LSP is complaining. We have to just redo the go mod tidy, and guys, this small command, go mod tidy, works 99% of times. When I was importing this library the first time, it was very strange for me, and I couldn't understand why that doesn't work. So yeah, I wanted to show this too. I can close this, and now I need to restart my LSP because it says complaining. Now everything works. Now you just have to go through this library implementation, and if you go to the Hermes struct, you can see everything. And actually the documentation of all of this stuff is pretty great. You can just read it. For our purposes, for now, we can leave everything like this. Yeah, it's just fields that will be appearing in the form, but we'll see it. The second step is to generate the email body. It's basically this. Copy, paste. We can do some changes for it, so we can actually see where those changes will be appearing in the email. So my name, like this. Okay, now I am using this library a lot for generating temp codes. This action with instructions, and it's an actual button, but we can also here have an additional one, and we are going to see it, is instructions, invite code, sorry. Is invite instructions is for the button, invite code, and we are going to see what is this. Okay, nice. Add a comma here. Nice, good. And basically we are done. Like now we need to generate the actual HTML. Like really, with this library, the email template, it's done. We are going to see it in a few seconds. But yeah, it's just this simple. Now, obviously, we don't want to like send emails to see our form. So what we can do? We said before, it's a simple HTML. So what we can do is that we can save it to a file and see it in a browser like this. So we are going to return this body. Okay, actually it's a string, so we just go here and say string. Okay, now I'm going to create email underscore test.go, so I can use the testing system of Golang to make it much easier. And test like this. Obviously I need to do main and test email UI. Good, like this. How do I call it? Generate email UI like this, like this. Great. Now I just need the HTML from my generated email, and now I just going to like create a file, os write file, and I need to provide the file name. It's going to be called email.html, and the actual data, it's HTML in bytes. One last thing I need to provide is the permission. And yeah, if you want to see what permissions you have, you can go here and open this file mod. I usually use, like for this test, mod perm. It's equivalent to 777, so like full permission basically. It's like here, so you can go OS and perm mod. We have no more like issues with this. Okay, now we have some issues here. Let's try to do go mod tidy. Okay, and restart the LSP. Maybe it's on that side also. Yeah, okay, all good. Now what is this? HTML. Now, great. Let's run this test. Okay, we have our HTML file, and now we can just see it in our browser. I want to show it like this. LibreWolf, and pass the email. I'm an idiot. Email.html. Okay, it's working. Great. So, as you can see, we have this simple form, and obviously it works in mobile. But it's okay. So, yeah, you have your email form, like fully mobile friendly, like this. And this is a button you can use to like send people to links or similar stuff. And this is that code. So really you can use it to send the confirmation code, like those TMP codes, you know. So yeah, in few lines of code, we have a ready email template that we can use. Now, we are going to create a sender.go file. For sending emails, we are going to use another package. This one. I have my notes, guys. Like this. So, for sending an email, we just need to basically copy paste this. Guys, it's It's too easy. It's like very, very simple. So send, obviously I need to do func, send email like this. And yeah, just paste this, okay? I'm going to save it. Okay, yeah, great. I don't have this in this project, so go mod tidy. And let me restart the LSP. Done. You see, 99% of times the go mod tidy works, but this 1%, So now, basically, what do we need? We need to have our from to and stuff like this. As you can see, with this library, you can attach files. Like just by providing the path to the file, you can simply attach it. It's this simple, but I will not send in the attached file. We can set this. We can set the CCs too, but I don't need it. Okay. Let's send an email from, not this one. I'm going to send like this. Yeah. I'm going to send the email from my email. And actually to, I have no idea, to me. It's fine, only one correspondent, it's great. Good. Now, subject, making emails. I don't going to send the body like this because we already have our generate email UI. So I'm going to do it like this. You know, this body accepts text in a form of HTML. And we do have it in a form of HTML. Great. Now, we are going to send email from our Gmail account. We need to provide actually the SMTP server. For Gmail, it's like very easy. It's Gmail. I cannot write Gmail, gmail.com. The port is 587. Here you need to provide like the username and the password. My username obviously is this. Like, let me actually from there. Do it like this. It's going to be easier. So from this. And user, it's this. Now, we do need a password. Let's go and get one. You need to go to your Gmail account and search for app password. Here we are. Okay, once that is done, you will see this page. You need to create a name for your app. Like, I don't know, go email, okay? Email, create. Here is our password for sending emails. Obviously, guys, I will be deleting all of this after the email, after the video is done, so don't even try. Like this. Now, I cannot just put this code like here. It's too risky. If I put it there, I build my binary with Golang, send it to a server, and who can obtain this binary can read my password. The right way is always to store them in an environment variable. So I'm going to create an .env file like this, and for example, give it a name password, okay, like this. And yeah, I can add string, I can, yeah, like this. Good, nice. Now, what I need to do, I need to go to my sender, and here I need to call os.getEnvironment, okay? And use the name I assigned to the password like this. Great. Now, obviously we have some like package issues. Go mod tidy like this, like this, lsp restart, and yeah, all good. Now, this will not work because we actually need to load the environment variables into our runtime. How we're going to do that? In the main, we need to load them. I'm going to use the go.env library. You know, the way I learned it, it's Godot, you know, the game engine. Now, you're going to load it, okay? If you are calling it from main, you don't need to specify any path, because you can do it if you are, like, for example, loading from another folder. Now, obviously, it's not complain because I don't have it in my project. So go mod tidy, done. Yeah, LSP, please restart. Okay, good. Because I have some issues here. Maybe I do know. Yes. So when you add in this replace, be sure to add it a bit more lower in place, because this like replace thingy creates a lot of issues for mod, like for all the mod stuff in Golang. And now, if I'm going to run this again, now it found it, and if I just restart the LSP, everything works properly. Great. Now, this load can error if, for example, it does not found the env file. Nice. Error, you know, the usual, like if error like this, error is not equal to nil, just, I don't know, panic with this error. Okay. Now, I can do this. Let me create a yeah, we do have everything. I'm going to create sender.test.go. Okay, package main. Okay, test like this. Sender. Okay, good. Now send email. Okay, but actually, yeah, this will not work because I am not going to use it in the main. I'm going to use it in our test. So like this. Like, why are you still bugging me? Like LSP restart. I do know you have everything. Like, yeah, maybe I just need to restart NeoVim in this case. Okay, nice. So now we are going to load the environment file with our password, and we can send our email with our generated UI. So let's just test it. I have no idea. Okay, let's just see it. I'm in my Gmail account, and yeah, here is this. So I like from myself to myself, and yeah, the email is sent. So we actually was able to send a simple email from Golang in a very simple way. And yeah, so thanks for watching this video. If you like it, leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.